Welcome to WunderWash Roof and House Washing, a residential and commercial soft wash exterior cleaning company. Haven't heard of soft washing? As you know of pressure washing, which just removes whatever is at the surface with the high pressure of water, pressure washing does not treat or eliminate molds and organic matter like soft washing does. WunderWash Roof and House Washing uses a low-pressure proprietary cleaning detergent that's eco-friendly and biodegradable. WunderWash will eliminate all molds, organic matter, dirt, grime, oxidation, metal stains, and rust. With soft washing, we can safely clean all roofs, siding like vinyl, parking garages, wood, all metal, concrete, brick and stucco surfaces, which means we can transform your home and business into an amazingly clean and vibrant curb appeal for all to see. Soft washing is like a car wash, but for your house. But unlike cleaning a car which depreciates, your home and business are the biggest asset. Cleaning and protecting your exterior surfaces will prolong that surface's life from decay and corrosion, all while making everyone stop and stare at the clean and vibrant look of your home or business. Get a WunderWash Roof and House Washing Soft Wash today. You'll love it. It's our promise and commitment to you.